It's Monday, August 10th, 2020, and our big tech story for the day is this one coming out of Cambridge University of Cambridge, and the title is "Can Robots Make Omelets?" And this is actually a video that's available. We actually tweeted about it this morning on our Twitter page. So let's just run a few minutes of it here, and we'll do that by just clicking on it. And this is the video. So, what's depicted here is actually a whole process of cooking an omelet, and the robotic device, which happens to be an arm in this case, does a perfect job of preparing an omelet, actually preparing toast to be served with the omelet, placing the omelet in a dish, etc. And so why is that a big tech story? The reason why it's a big tech story is with the pandemic of 2020 raging, we need a lot more of this. And specifically to help out businesses which are under tremendous threats right now, and those are restaurants in particular, where people come in the morning on the way to some destination, and they need a breakfast and they would like to eat an omelet, or maybe it's lunch. So when that meal can actually be prepared by something as antiseptic as a robotic arm, there's a much higher likelihood of restaurants being able to retain customers and thereby staying up and afloat through an otherwise terrible time where everybody is distrusting everything in terms of dining in a restaurant. What's the pushback on this? Some of the pushback has to do with the misconception of displacement of jobs. Leaving that aside for the moment, and we think it's very, very important to do that. The pandemic again of 2020 necessitates this kind of development. It's inescapable, and we have to rise to the occasion, and we should actually be welcoming this kind of development and hoping that the time to market with a product that it can be purchased at a reasonable price, deployed and actually supported, is not going to be that long. We hope to see more of this. There was also news today of FedEx, the delivery service, using robotic arms actually to also hasten delivery, and it's welcome. This kind of development is certainly welcome. The name of the company is IMB Enterprises Incorporated. My name is Ira Michael Blonder. I'm the CEO and founder. And we showed you briefly our Twitter page, which is Mike the Bebop. And our website is www.imbenterprises.com. We look forward to perhaps an opportunity to speak with you. Thanks, and stay safe.